Hello everyone! Let's go ahead and get you enrolled in my class for Prodigy. So just so you understand, Prodigy is a game that anyone in the world can play, but I can only give you a grade for playing Prodigy if you are playing in an account that is linked to my class. So how it works is I'm going to show you how to either log in or sign up for a new account. We're going to add a class code and bam, you're going to be enrolled in my class. And now I can see your progress in Prodigy and I can give you a grade. So Prodigy is a super fun game. So let's get started. So you can either log in using current Prodigy information, but if you forgot your login information, maybe you used it last year for another class and you just forgot it, or if you need a new account, let's click here for sign up. Okay. And so we're going to click sign up with Google because that's going to be the easiest way. And then I would normally use my Trivium account if I were a student, but it's going to think I'm a teacher if I do that. So I'm actually going to use a different account so that I can trick it into thinking I'm a student. And then over here, click New Teacher, click the button below to add your character to your new class. Now, this is a character I did last year, but anyway, click enter the class code, hit next, and just follow the instructions. The beginning of the game is going to have you set up an avatar, create a name, things like that. And so it's going to be about 5 or 10 minutes of playing before you actually get to any of the math parts of it. Okay? So just relax, follow the prompts, do what it's telling you to do, and then if you get stuck, you can let me know. You can either come to study hall or just ask me, shoot me an email. All right, so have fun playing and let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.